guys, now you're in lesson 4. In lesson 4, you're going to learn how to move text within a document, copy text within a document, and apply bullets and numbers to the text. So this is the easiest lesson, and let's get back to it right now. So I have this blank page, and I'm just going to copy something from this one. I'm just going to copy this. Right click, copy, and then I come to this document and right click and paste. Okay, it's as easy as that. So but we have several ways. So the first way is that I've used. Another way is come to edit, and then you come and say copy. Okay, and then you can double click to the point where you want to paste. You can double click even here, and then you come to edit and then click this option of paste. So you have two copies. You have the first copy, the original copy, and you have the duplicate. If you want to create a new page, you can press Control Enter on your keyboard, and you can also copy the work here. You can just come to edit, paste. Okay, since I had copied before. Okay, the other way of copying is right click. Okay, you select and then you right click, and then you say copy, right click, and say paste. Okay, I've pressed Ctrl Z so that I can undo that. And then another way is to select. You select that the work you want to copy, and on your keyboard you press Ctrl and then C. Okay, and then you come down here, Ctrl V. Okay, it's as easy as that. So I hope you have understood. Now you are going to learn how to cut. So for you to cut, you have to select, and then you come to edit, cut. So when you cut, it's going to shift position. So I want to bring it to the next page, and then you come to edit again, you paste. So it has moved from the first page to the second page. So if you want to cut another way, you have to select, and then after you select, you right click, cut, come to the other page, right click, paste. Okay, using the keyboard, you have to select, and then Control X, and then on the other page you Control V. So I hope you have understood. So Control C for copying, Control X for cutting, and then if you want to paste, use Control V. So the next thing you're going to learn is how to apply bullets and numbering to our page, or to our list of items. So I'm going to have a list of names. So a list of names. So I'm going to have three names of boys, 3 names of girls. So Jane, Jack, Nelly, John, Eunice, and then Peter. So I think that's enough. So I want us to learn how to put numbering. So you have to select, and then you come to, you can use this one here, but it come with the default. So this is numbering, and this is bullets. Okay, so that's you can see these are, it only brings the default numbers 1 2 3, but you can use Roman 1, you can use A B C D. So I want us to learn that. So you can come to format, you come to bullets and numbering, and then under bullets you can choose from the ones that we have here. Okay, but we have another list. You can come to customize, and you can choose from fonts. Okay, sorry, you can choose from characters. We have so many characters, so maybe you can use this and say okay, and then I say, okay, you can choose the indent. You can also put another, you can put indent, you can adjust this tab space after and indent at. Okay, so if you put it, it's going to indent itself to this point here. So you can use it, you can indent manually, like you can come and select these bullets, and then you left click without using the mouse, and then you would drag it all the way to there. Okay, or you can come to format, bullets and numbering, you customize, and then indentation you put it to 0, or if you want to increase, you see it is increasing even here, so you can increase and decrease from there. So this one, it's increasing the space between the bullets itself and the actual names. Okay, I think that's okay. This one is for the space after you press the return key, or it's going to press the line. Okay, but I think at 0.25 it's okay, and then you say okay. So that's our work. So since we have learned how to copy, I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. Okay, so in our duplicate copy, we are going to learn how to put numbering. So if you want to remove it, you can just come and press here. Okay, you can come to format, bullets and numbering, and then you can come to numbered, and you can choose from here, or there to here. Also you can customize. So here you can choose the font you want, the number of styling you want, where you want to start. If I want to start from 5, you can start from 5. Okay, here you want to align your numbering, either from left, centered, right. Okay, also you can align at what position. Okay, the thing that you have done previously. Okay, so in our case, we are going to put it to 0, 0. Okay, and then this one you're going to decrease it to 0.5, and also this one 0.5. Okay, then you say okay. So we have used Romans. So you can also change bullets and numbering, and you put this one and you say okay. So it's as easy as that. So we have the next type of numbering called aligned numbering. So it has several levels. So I'm going to teach you, and it's a bit complicated, so I want you to follow me very carefully. So you first have to put it before you start. You come to bullets and numbering, and you choose outline numbering, and you're going to use this one. Okay, and then you're going to say okay. So we begin at number 1. So we are going to use our country Kenya as number 1, and then when you press the return key or enter key on your keyboard, it's going to go to number 2. But we don't want to go to number 2. We want to go to the next level, where you are going to highlight the county names, and then under county we are going to put town's name. So I want to go to the next level. So I want you to press tab key on your keyboard. So when you press tab, it's going to go to the next level. You just press it once. Okay, so you write Nairobi. Okay, and then under Nairobi we go down to the next level, which is town. So when I press enter or the return key on your keyboard, it's going to take you to B, but you don't want B, I want Roman 1. Okay, the next level, that is. So again, you're going to press tab key on your keyboard. So when you press tab key, it's going to go to the next level, and you can see the indentation is going to increase gradually. Okay, So we have Kenya, we have Nairobi. We want to specify some towns that are located in Nairobi. So I put Ngara. So I want 3 of them. So I have Roman 2 and Roman 3. So Ngara, I have Westlands, and then we have Kirereshwa, or let me put Kasarani. Okay, so I have these three towns that are located in Nairobi, and I have used 3 labels. So I have to go to another town, another county, which is Nakuru, and right now I have to go back to B. So how do we do that? So you have to press the enter key on your keyboard so that you can go to Roman 4. So if you press backwards, or backspace, it's going to erase that, and you don't want to erase that. So you're going to press the return key or enter key on your keyboard, and then you press tab key so that you can go forward, and then now you press the backspace key to move backwards. Okay, so you press tab, you first go forward, and then now you go backwards by pressing the backspace. So I'm going to type in Nakuru, and then Nakuru I press tab, I press Molo, Njoro, and then I can put Milimani. Okay, so now I want to go to another country, maybe for example Tanzania, Uganda. So I'm going to press enter so that I can go to Roman 4, and then so that I can move to the part where I have number 2, so that I can put another country, I have to press tab so that I can just move forward, and then I press back space so that I can move to number 2, where maybe I will put in Uganda. I hope you have understood how to put or how to insert outline numbering, and that marks the end of our lesson. I hope you have understood and you have enjoyed the lesson. Bye.